Namaste. Greetings to everyone. I hope all of you are safe at home. In these unprecedented times, we all are facing a lot of challenges. Maybe related to our financials, maybe related to our job, family, business, or there can be n number of things. But one thing which is common to each and every one of us is the mental stress, the mental fear, the panic situation which is all around. The virus is killing us at physical level, but this mental pressure is killing us at mental level. Yeah, and we need to come out of these situations. And what better option can be than yoga and meditation? Yes, you heard it right. Yoga and meditation are very important in these crucial times. So, Udaipur Against Corona, this team of young dynamic people have bring together this short and useful video for all of us to learn some techniques which we can follow at our home to get rid of mental stress, fear, anxiety, and also achieve good physical strength, immunity. So in today's video we'll be discussing about these topics and having some practical takeaways from the session. Okay, so let's do it. So before we proceed further, let us understand that how these techniques will benefit us. The first and the foremost advantage or the benefit of these techniques is it will help to increase our lung capacity, strengthen our respiratory system, which is very important in these days. Coronavirus is affecting our lungs and our respiratory system, so we need to provide some strength to it. सबसे पहला बेनिफिट यह है कि इन टेक्निक्स को करने से हमारे फेफड़ों की क्षमता बढ़ती है. Breath is the greatest detoxifier. Breath helps to detoxify our whole system. And until and unless we know how to breathe properly, it won't happen. श्वास के माध्यम से हमारे सिस्टम की बहुत सी गंदगी हम बाहर फेंकते हैं. तो ये टेक्निक्स करने से सारा डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन प्रोसेस सुचारू रूप से होता है. The second benefit is the stability of the mind, which is again very important. If your mind is clear in these times, you can find out some or the other way to tackle any situation. अगर हम मनोस्थिति हमारी सही है तो हम किसी भी सिचुएशन में अपना रास्ता आराम से बना पाएंगे. और तीसरा बेनिफिट है कि हमारे इमोशंस को सुचारू रूप से चलाता है. We become emotionally balanced by performing these techniques and doing meditation. So let's do it. So the first technique that we are going to learn is known as Kapalbhati. अब हम लोग कपालभाति की प्रक्रिया को सीखते हैं. Kapal means the skull and Bhati means the glow. So this technique helps us to develop a shining intellect, a vibrant intellect, and also helps to detoxify the body, जिसकी आज बहुत ज़्यादा हमको नीड है. यह प्रक्रिया से हमारे शरीर की शुद्धिकरण भी होता है. So how we are going to do it? Let's understand it. So in this technique we can keep our hands like this or like this on our knees. The back should be straight and the chest open up and the neck should be straight. And in this technique we'll focus only on active exhalation. श्वास को झटके से बाहर छोड़ने पे हम अपना ध्यान देंगे, जिससे कि नाभि अंदर की ओर जाती है. When we breathe out actively, the navel region will go inside. The body will automatically inhale. शरीर स्वतः ही श्वास ले लेगा. So how we are going to do it? ध्यान से देखिएगा. Observe carefully. We'll sit straight and let's start. And in the end, we'll take a deep breath in and we'll breathe out. Like this, you can do 3 rounds of 15-15 each, or you can do 3 rounds of 20-20-20 each. हम इस प्रकार से 15 बार इसको 3 राउंड में कर सकते हैं या 20 बार इसको 3 राउंड में कर सकते हैं. So let's do it together. Now let's learn the second technique, that is known as the candle blowing technique. अब हम एक दूसरी प्रक्रिया सीखते हैं जिसके माध्यम से हम लोग नाक से श्वास लेंगे और मुंह से श्वास को बाहर छोड़ेंगे. कैसे? Just like we blow a candle, we'll do exactly same. We'll inhale fully fill up our lungs completely, and then we'll blow out through our mouth, like as if we are blowing a candle or we are blowing out of a straw. जिस प्रकार से हम स्ट्रॉ के माध्यम से या एक मोमबत्ती को बुझाते हैं, उसी प्रकार से हम लोग श्वास को मुंह से बाहर छोड़ेंगे. This technique helps us to relax our mind. It helps us to make you peaceful, and it is very helpful when you are getting anxious, when you are getting over excited, or you can say there's a lot of fear around, or there is a panic situation. You can practice little bit of these breaths and it will help you immediately. तो इसके अंदर हम क्या करेंगे? Just observe. We'll keep both the hands open on our knees, and then we'll keep our back straight, chest open up, and we'll breathe in through the nose. नाक से श्वास को लेंगे और मुंह से बाहर छोड़ेंगे. धीरे धीरे मुंह से बाहर छोड़ें. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out. So like this you can do this technique, and while you're breathing in you have to remember that you have to breathe in fully, from every inch of your body. You'll breathe in completely, and then when you breathe out, just relax and breathe out as slowly as possible. So this you can do 5 to 10 times at your home. So the last technique is known as Bhastrika Pranayam. Bhastrika is very good exercise for your lungs, and it helps to increase the strength of your lungs. In this pranayam, we'll exhale and inhale. Both the things we'll do it actively. इस प्राणायाम के अंदर हम श्वास को लेना और श्वास को छोड़ना दोनों ही उत्साह के साथ या ऊर्जा के साथ में करते हैं. इस प्राणायाम को करने से हमें बहुत ऊर्जा मिलती है और साथ ही साथ हमारे फेफड़ों की क्षमता भी बढ़ती है. So let us see how we are going to do it. We'll place both the hands on your knees. The position for doing this pranayam is back straight, chest open up, and then we'll keep both the hands near our chest. The elbows are near the body, like this. And when we breathe in, our hands will go up, the fist will open. And when we breathe out, the hands will come down and the fist will close. Just observe me once. एक बार देख लेते हैं कैसे करेंगे. श्वास को लेते हुए हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे और मुट्ठियां खुल जाएंगी. श्वास को छोड़ते हुए हाथ नीचे आएंगे और मुट्ठियां बंद हो जाएंगी. ये कैसे होगा एक बार देख लेते हैं. Like we will breathe in actively like this and breathe out actively. Then you can relax with your hands on your knees. Vishram kare. So like this you can do 15 15 15 3 times. You can do it 3 rounds, or you can do 20 20 20 3 rounds you can do it. हम इसको 15 15 15 के 3 राउंड या 20 20 20 के 3 राउंड कर सकते हैं. And concluding with today's session, I would like to recommend all of you that we should do little meditation every day. थोड़ा सा ध्यान हम लोगों को रोजाना करना चाहिए. इन टेक्निक्स को आप खाली पेट करिएगा. सुबह के समय करें तो बेस्ट है. These techniques have to be followed or done empty stomach, and the morning time is the best time to do these things. You can start your day with little bit of meditation. The meditations are available on YouTube channels of His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji or Art of Living Foundation. वहाँ से आप इन meditations को कर सकते हैं, and it will be amazing, I tell you. The mental relaxation, the peace of mind, and the ability to think better in these challenging times is very important. So, I wish you again all the best. Stay safe. For any queries, you can reach out to Udaipur Against Corona team, or you can reach out to me. So, we are all working together, and let's stay together, stay committed to our health, and let's support each other. Let's not lose hope. Thank you.